Okay, we're here in Yerington, Nevada, and with the fires in California and stuff, it is so smoky. I'm trying to get to where you guys can see. See it. Can't even see it's so thick you can't see the mountain ranges that are all around us. There's mountains like over, what? You can't even see the mountain ranges over there. There's like, huh?
Can't really tell.
Yeah, but you can't see the mountain ranges over there. And look at you. I thought I had zoom.
Oh, that's smoky.
It's really, really smoky. It's really, really hard to tell, but it is super smoky. You can barely see that mountain over there. I wonder how hot it is out here right now.
Go away for your clothes over there.
Huh?
You didn't go away for your clothes.
What? Anyway.
And they give free clothes over there? Free robot? Robots? Ropa?
Ah, ya.
Yeah?
$4.
Oh, $4?
Ferry Ellis.
Oh, nice.
Oh, nice.
Very good, man.
So, anyway, it's really hot. Not sure what the temperature is, but I'm sure it's in the 90s, right? But you can't even see the sun. That's the sun. I can't look at it. Don't know if you guys saw it. But have a great day, because you know you can. Explore everything. Peace.